Hi everyone. Welcome to this overview of task setting within our SFIA portal. We are assess management providers of SFIA services, consultancy, training, and obviously our assessment tool in subjective and objective portals. In this screen, you'll see Tina. Tina is a manager, hence the active assessments with her team, but also Tina has her own SFIA skills assessment to complete. So firstly, what we're doing here is we're going to investigate the tasks. To view this, let's go through to the report. Click Edit Report. The page we're seeing here, quite simply, is the attributes according to SFIA. Tina's assessment aligned to her job description, which is Head of Project Management, given a mapping of SFIA level 6. So we have various attributes according to SFIA regarding autonomy, business skills, behavioral factors, complexity, knowledge, and influence. So if we click through, we're getting descriptors, and through an assessment, leaving comments, adding evidence, and so on. And we already previously, one we've made earlier, quite simply tasks. We've set up a task in autonomy. And just to show you how that works, we can simply add a task and it brings up a screen. Let's go through to skills to do that. So we have several skill codes aligned to SFIA. This is called role mapping. So to set up the account in ITSA for any organization, we can map the roles, or you can map your own roles with a workshop training, or whether you are proficient in using SFIA. We simply have profiled a particular role for an organization and allocated skill codes. So we're looking at a level 6 performance management. Now we already have a task previously added. So regulations from HR: be better informed while managing a team. What are the official processes to go through for managing a difficult employee? So that's something you may wish to add as a task from a manager's perspective to an employee, or employee may have an idea of how to fulfill a skills gap. And let's go into a skill, BPRE, business process improvement. So no tasks have been set, but let's add task, and a simple window will pop out. So this is designed really for managers, employees. The employee may have an idea how they can fill a gap, and then that will be submitted for the manager to view and accept that task. And what we're doing here is simply letting the manager know that we have an idea about a task that will improve our development. So business improvement, investigate the processes required to improve the cloud. I'm just being quite generic here, but what we're doing is we're giving a task, we're setting a date where the calendar will pop up. Go and talk to the governance team. Conclusion, obviously, better understand the processes. So really, this is by way of trying to improve the skill and knowledge of this particular person, and this person feels there is a gap within their knowledge in the governance team. So we're creating that. As you can see, any documents can be uploaded. That's often given as proof that it's carried out, or maybe a Word document to indicate to the manager they're working on this, etc. It could also be a very simple request for training, whatever you like, really. So you can see the end date and the manager comments are blanked out, simply because we don't want employees simply going off and doing whatever they want to do. It has to be confirmed by the manager itself. So let's create that. And you can see we have pending for submission. So we can submit that to the manager can view and make the recommendations. So that's simply it. These tasks are not aligned to the overall assessment. The assessment itself can carry on, and the employee can go in and out of their tasks, in and out of their report, before submitting to the manager or verifier in this case. So that's it, simply. I'll just take you back actually to show you what this button actually does. If I tick task log, this simply just gives you a view of the tasks in hand for Tina to complete, or the ones that have been submitted to the manager, dates and so on. So it simply gives a log, and it's also true that that log is visible to the administrators, be it a HR team, manager team, leadership team. So we're introducing this really as an additional feature to allow not only the employees to think of their development, but for managers to get involved in that development and give advice, guidance, and so on. I hope you found this useful. Please visit our website, validateskills.com, where you'll see a number of features, not only tasks, but other features that we have within our tool. Thank you for watching. Inquiries at validateskills.com if you wish to get in touch with us.